Hi, today I'm making roti. That's an Indian flatbread, and the ingredients are 2 cups of chapatti flour, a pinch or a teaspoon of salt up to your taste, and I've got the flour in there already. And then I've got a cup of lukewarm water, and I'm going to add this a little at a time, and I'm just going to knead it. So I'll show you each step as I go along. So I'm just adding the water a little at a time. Some people add oil. I haven't. This is my first time trying it with this flour. So I'll see how it goes. I'll be using my hands soon. Just add another little. And now I'm going to go in with my hand. If it's too wet, I will add more flour. If it was too dry, I will add more water. That's why you only add a little water at a time. I think I've got enough of each, but I just need to keep kneading. So I'll keep kneading this for about 7 or 8 minutes, until it's a nice ball, nothing sticking. I'll show you that at the end. So I'm going to keep kneading this, and I'll show you once I'm ready. Okay, there's the ball, nice and soft. If I press in it, it makes a dent, an impression. Hands are all clean. The bowl is clean. So I'm going to leave it in there to rest for about 30 minutes. I'm going to wet this kitchen towel, drain the water, and then cover the dough with that. So I'm just going to open the tissue, the kitchen towel. I wet it, cover it. I'm going to leave that for about 30 minutes while I make some chicken curry. Made some chicken curry to go with the the roti, the Indian flatbread. I'm going to enjoy this with that. Right, that's been half an hour. Just took off the wet tissue. Now this dough is not going to rise because there's no, no baking powder or yeast or anything like that in there. So I'm going to just take it out. Bring it together, then I'm going to divide it equally before I roll it. It's nice and springy. Don't want to put too much flour on. My pan, my new pan, my tawa pan from India is heating up. Let me just make it lower quickly. Don't want it too hot. Right, let me cut it. We'll just cut it into 8 pieces. Just make it into balls before I roll it out. Right, now I'm going to start rolling it. And this was also from India, so I think this is the size, so let's hope. Here's my little rolling pin. Thanks, Chaz. It's looking good. Let's see if I can get it round. Oops. Get in there. I'm going to put a little oil in the pan. Just put a little oil in there. My pan is hot. It's the first one, so I want to see how that's going to come out. And there's the chicken curry, ready, waiting. I'll use the spatula. Ooh, looking good. While that one is going, I'm going to roll out another one. Look, it's starting to bubble. See the bubbles? I'm going to turn it over again. Yes, it's looking good. Oh, that looks very good. I'm going to take it out now. I'm just taking some butter, rubbing it over here. Oops. And then I'm going to heat it. Just crunch it up. Delicious, nice and soft. Wait for the next one. So that's it, first one done. This one. Yay, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Nice. I'm going to try and put some sugar and cinnamon in this one. My daughter loves anything made with sugar and cinnamon. So I'm going to put some butter. Cinnamon. Sugar. Mix it about. Roll it into a bowl and then roll it flat. This is just me experimenting now. Right, let's go for it and see what happens. Check the pan. looking good. If this one comes out right, the next time I make it, I want to add some coconut as well. Oh, look at that big bubble. Look at this. Look at that lovely bubble. Let me turn it over. Oh, lovely. Perfect. I'm taking this one out. Oops, hot. I'll put the sugar and cinnamon one in. Right. Carry on with the last one now. And I'll show you at the end. Here's the one with the sugar and cinnamon inside. You can just see it slightly. Let me give it a taste. She's going to love this. I have to make another one now. That's it. The recipe you can find in my book called Easy Recipes Bursting with Flavor, and you can find it on Amazon. So there's a quick, simple chapati roti, the same one I've made, and I'll leave the link below and you can find it. All you have to do is Google my name, Anthony Polino, or click on the link and you'll find the recipe on page 207. Enjoy!